Hi guys, welcome to HQ Toys. I'm Haley.
And I'm Hazel.
Look what came in the mail just in time for Hazel's 6th birthday. Happy birthday! So, this is a Catsvspickles mystery box, I think. Look, it says choose, so maybe it's like Team Cats or Team Pickles or Team Donuts or Team Bears. Inside, looks really nice. I really like this box. How do we get cute? So, let's see what's inside. It's Dragon Kitty and Pickle. Here, it's from here, silly. Whoa! Look at all this stuff. My favorite. They're so cute. Oh, I love Jumbo Gumbo so much. He's so
Look
cute.
at this. This is so cute.
Oh, it's a fluffy poo. Oh, that's so cute. So this is Gumbo. Ready for every occasion.
Oh my gosh. It's this chunk.
Oh, it's a chunk dog fish school. So, this is Jumbo Gumbo.
And
my absolute favorite Jumbos. Cute. She's just like the baby ones and like
Open.
my favorite cat. Okay. Gumbo sit.
Wait, how about you open the beads and I open the chunk?
Now I want to open the package. Okay, this is Dog vs. Squirrel package. Wait, Hazel, wait.
I know.
Okay, let's see.
Oh, that's so cute.
This is Carl. It's a dog. Let's see. Here's a checklist for the Dog vs. Squirrel.
We saw it already. Because we got a
Here's
lot
the
of
front
it. Wait, I didn't even know it has a back.
and the back.
I didn't even know it has a back.
They're so cute. And look, guys, it's a dog named Hazel. Isn't that adorable? It's so cute. Here's a checklist for the dogs. And here's Carl. Oh, Carl's like a motor bike kind of dog.
I didn't even know.
Need help?
No, I don't know.
So, the giant poodle, I can show you guys. It's so fluffy and it feels so nice. I love her. And she's like black. She has binoculars. Her name is Linda. Proud member of the park watch. Keeps detailed accounts of all suspicious activity. Has police on speed dial. So maybe she's like a patrol.
Ooh, I got that.
Isn't that the guy on the package?
Yeah.
Dog on the package.
I
I
like
like the
the-
dog on the package.
I like
this
the
dog is so cute.
so cute. Her name is
Otis.
Otis.
Otis. So, these are chonk dog versus squirrels. And Otis's bio says English literature professor. Think sweater vest make him look more intellectual.
Is this a chunk?
And he loves
Is
brownies.
this a chunk?
That's a kid. Here, I'll open it. So here's the
This is a
checklist for the chonks.
Is this a chunk? Is this a chunk?
No, it's a KBG and I want to open it. Oh, Zoe's so cute.
Who's Zoe?
Zoe's a picture dog. So now I'm going to be opening the KBG if I can get it open. Difficult. Okay, got it. So let's see what KBG we got. And thank you to the Catsvspickles company for sending this lovely box to us. Got a pickle. This is,
We already have that.
do we?
Yeah.
This is Little Uni. I love pickle juice. So cute. And, oh, another pickle. This
Oh, the
is
baby pickle.
Little Joey. Do, 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 da, da, da. Oh, I love the 2 mini pickle. I really love the kittensvsgherkins because they're like so tiny and so adorable. The blanket. It's kind of a blanket. Here's the checklist. Here's the KBG checklist. Here, so you guys can see this.
Ah,
Who did you get? Who's this?
I don't know.
I want to open the Christmas. Okay, here's Cat. I don't know what his name is. This is Catro. Justice by my blade. So this is a cat chonk. The chonk checklist. These are gold wave chonks. And Catro's right there. So it looks like Catro is like a ninja thing. Cat. So now So, we got outfits in our last Christmas opening video where we almost got the whole set. It's so pretty. And we got Scrooge. I think Scrooge is really funny. So, here's Elvis. And it says, return to sender. I love all these cats. But my favorite that we opened so far, well, we didn't open, but like I like Jumbo Gumbo. It's so cute.
My favorite one is this one.
Here's the... Ooh! Tie-dye!
We didn't
You don't
have
have tie-dye.
Hey, I said that.
I said that. Tie-dye. One colorful cat.
I have
The gold checklist. I'll show you the front and the back. Here's the front.
you
Oh, and here's
have
the
the
back of
trunk.
the golden trunk.
You have the trunk.
Yes, I have the trunk. And the
I'm
gold
gonna put the picture.
checklist.
Yeah.
The front of the gold checklist at least.
Which one do you want on
And here's the back.
I'm on Hazel. But I already have her.
What team are you?
And Team Pickle.
Okay, guys, out of this awesome mystery box, which one is your favorite? Okay, I already told you. Jumbo Gumbo. Jumbo Gumbo's definitely.
I already told you which one is mine.
You like this dog?
Yes.
You like Otis?
Yeah, I
Otis
like
is actually really cute. It's like a brown dog. So cute.
It's so
So, tell us which one is your favorite because there's so many that we unboxed. Thank you to catsvspickles for sending us this box. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!